So ACCA is the world's leading professional body for accounting students, and it not only prepares students for their accounting careers by giving them the technical knowledge that they need, but also the other skills that will help them in their careers.
Mae'r myfyrwyr sy'n astudio ACCA yma yn y Brifysgol yn cael cefnogaeth anhygoel o'r Brifysgol trwy'r tiwtoriaid a trwy'r adnoddau maen nhw'n cael a'r cefnogaeth ychwanegol maen nhw'n cael, a hefyd yn cael cefnogaeth trwy ACCA, a maen nhw hefyd yn cael cymhwyster sy'n cael ei gydnabod yn rhyngwladol a sy'n galluogi nhw i gweithio mewn sectorau gwahanol ar draws y byd I gyd.
I chose USW for studying ACCA because I heard that USW is a platinum status for its approved learning partners.
The level of teaching is obviously very good, and I like the fact that the course here is very structured and there are like-minded people studying it who also have professional commitments and other commitments.
There's only so much you can learn from a textbook, so having that face-to-face interaction, having someone explain things with their own experiences and being able to go through questions, answers with you, focus on areas that you're actually struggling with, it makes a lot of difference to your learning.
Our classes are mainly taught now face-to-face, but we have the added advantage that students, if they're unable to attend a face-to-face class, then they can come to the class and join virtually. The classes are all recorded, so they can catch up or revisit the classes that they've attended.
The practical experience I gained at work actually coincided really well and worked well with the kind of academic and theoretical understanding I was getting whilst doing the course.
I think also with learning at a university, you have a support system behind you, so it's quite difficult to try doing the course whilst juggling it with work, family, other commitments. So having support of your classmates and the staff does make a difference to help get you through it all.
The ACCA course at University of South Wales has really shaped my career. The accreditation it gives you, it's almost like a kite mark of competence and quality, but it also gave me a lot of self-confidence to have that accreditation behind me, and the experiences I got from my time at University of South Wales and the relationships I had with people and networks meant that it did a whole load for my career.
On my final exam sittings, I achieved highest worldwide for my advanced financial management results and highest worldwide for average marks for the strategic professional papers. To achieve something like that is unbelievable. I still can't quite believe it now, to be honest with you.